Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you are going to find your email address while you are in your Facebook app. And for some reason, if you want to find out your email address and you want to log in different devices, then you can easily find that one. For that, I'm going to come in my Facebook, and here you will see like three horizontal line. You are going to click on that one and scroll down until you will get like setting and privacy. You have to just open that one, and here you have setting. You are going to click on setting, and next you will get different option here in account setting, but we are going to click on personal information. And here you have like different option as well, like personal information, but you need contact info, and you are going to click on that one or tap on that one, and here you will get your both option. While if you have like your mobile address is connected as well, or mobile phone number is connected as well, you can get that, and also your email address at the same time. I hope that you find that how you are going to just find out your email address using your mobile phone. Thank you everyone. If you like that video, just subscribe and don't forget to ask any question if you want. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.